When it comes to buying a home, one of the critical considerations that often arise is the question of credit score. A credit score not only measures your financial reliability, but also significantly impacts your mortgage approval process. So, what credit score do you really need to buy a home? Let's begin with understanding what a credit score is. A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness based on your credit history, ranging typically between 300 and 850. The higher your score, the better perceived you will be by lenders. Now, why does this matter when purchasing a home? Simply put, your credit score impacts the willingness of lenders to offer you a mortgage and affects the terms of your loan, including interest rates and the amount you can borrow. For those seeking a conventional loan, a credit score of 620 is generally considered the minimum for qualification. However, having a score close to this minimum might mean higher interest rates. To secure more favorable terms, aim for a score of 740 or higher. This level is where lenders typically offer their best rates and terms. Not everyone, however, fits into the conventional loan category. For first-time homebuyers or those with less stellar credit, the Federal Housing Administration loans offer an appealing alternative. A credit score of 580 is required to qualify for an FHA loan with a minimum down payment of 3.5%. It's noteworthy that some lenders might allow scores as low as 500 with a higher down payment. It's a viable option for those working to rebuild their credit history, but do be prepared to pay higher fees and insurance costs. Veterans and active duty service members may benefit from VA loans, which generally do not establish a minimum credit score. However, lenders offering VA loans usually look for a score of at least 620. This type of loan can be advantageous due to its zero down payment requirement and lower closing costs. In summary, while credit score requirements can vary, aspiring homeowners should strive for a score of at least 620 to access a broader range of financing options. Yet, improving your score beyond this baseline, ideally past 740, will not only open the door to better interest rates, but also result in significant lifetime savings on your mortgage. Remember, it's not just the entry-level score that matters. Your credit health can profoundly affect both your buying power and financial security. Whether you're just beginning your journey towards homeownership or looking to enhance your credit profile, understanding this vital part of the equation can be your key to a successful housing investment.